Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be showing you guys our Thanksgiving special and what we made on Thanksgiving. So the first thing we made was a turkey, of course. We marinated it the night before so that we could just put it in the fridge and take it out the next day. So we used the seasoning that you saw in the beginning. Every ingredients that we used in this video will be in the description below, so just check it out. And then we covered it with saran wrap and then put it in the fridge overnight, or how many hours you want. And then the next day we brought it out, covered it with foil, and then put it in the oven for 3 hours so that it could bake. And you can add like an extra 30 minutes after you check it, but you just have to be checking it all the time to see if the inside is done. We don't want a bloody turkey, but whatever. This is the result, and it looks so good and juicy, and it tasted good and juicy, so you guys should try this out if you want. Mixed it all together, then we added the rice, and then we added the sauce, mixed it around, and then we added water so it could cook in the oven. Then we added some rosemary and bay leaves. That's just extras if you want to add them. And yeah, that's it. So it turned out very good, very delicious, very steamy. I love it. Okay guys, so we are going to be showing you guys our fried rice, how we make our fried rice. And for the first part, we added broth, so you can add any type of broth you want to put it to a boil, and you can just add any broth you want. And then we added the rice, washed rice, and then we added some seasoning that we showed you guys, which will be in the description below. And then we used a separate pan and warmed up some butter and put the onions, and then we added kidneys, so you can use liver if you want to as well. And then after the rice was done, we added some frozen vegetables and then some peppers, and then we added the rest of the seasoning and mixed it all together. And then with that mixture that we just made, we added it to our rice that we just recently boiled with the broth, and then we mixed it all together, and we added butter to make it, extra, yeah, and that was it. Very delicious, very good. You guys should try all these recipes out, and yeah. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. If you guys like it, please smash that like button and subscribe if you want to, and we will see you guys on the next video. Bye.